Welcome to Waze App Essentials.
Waze is more than a navigation app. It's your daily partner for avoiding traffic. In this guide, discover key Waze features that let you skip congestion and find the fastest routes to your destination. Learn how smart, community-based updates and real-time data keep your drive smooth, efficient, and hassle-free every day.
Setting up Waze for success.
Start by customizing Waze for your commute. Enter your home and work addresses to save frequent destinations. Enable location and notifications for real-time traffic alerts. Adjust sound settings for voice guidance and set preferred vehicle type for tailored routing. This quick setup ensures Waze always gets you reliable, up-to-date directions.
Leveraging real-time traffic reports.
Waze's power comes from live, crowdsourced reports. Drivers ahead of you report traffic jams, accidents, and hazards instantly. Waze automatically reroutes you to avoid slowdowns using this real-time information. Make sure to pay attention to alerts during your drive. These can help you make quick decisions and shave valuable minutes off your trip.
Discovering alternate routes.
Waze offers smart alternative routes whenever traffic increases. Tap the Routes button to see all available options, estimated arrival times, and any reported issues. If you notice delays on your usual path, review these routes and pick the shortest or least congested one. Waze keeps your commute flexible and responsive to changing conditions.
Getting the most from the Waze community.
The Waze community is the heart of the app's success. Contribute by reporting slowdowns, police presence, or road closures when it's safe. Rate map accuracy and share updates. The more drivers share, the smarter and faster your recommendations will be. Thank fellow users with a thumbs up to promote active participation and keep traffic info reliable.
Final tips for smooth drives.
If you want to keep Waze updated for the latest features and maps, check for app updates regularly. Use the app before leaving to preview your route and expected delays. For hands-free operation, connect Waze to your car's dashboard system or use voice commands. With these strategies, you'll avoid traffic jams and enjoy stress-free commutes every day.